Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in this video, I'm gonna demonstrate for you a program that can auto like on Twitter. This is the interface of a Twitter program. Now I'm gonna go into Twitter and copy the link of the post. For example, I'm gonna copy this link, only have like one like. Go back to the program, choose function viral marketing, and then you can see the setting post, setting tweets. You put the link in. There are a few other options for you to choose, like you can comment to the post if you want. You can add hashtag or tag someone, but right now I'm just gonna demo for you like the like tweets. After that, you only need to load out on the accounts that you have. Then you click to start. So right now the program is gonna open each small window. Right here is a different Twitter accounts. It will log in into the accounts and then go direct to the post and start to increasing the likes. Okay, I think this is the end for today's videos. If you have any question or you want to install the program, you can send me a message in Telegram or WhatsApp. Thank you and see you again.